You can make your kids' genius mind. Watch this full video. Very easy drawing. Draw here what is in your mind. It will show you, in top of toolbar, original shapes. Select whatever you want. It will come into the good shape. Half apple. Apple shape. Now you draw one cycle ... in your mind design. Now see the auto draw effect. Top of the toolbar. Motorbike also. Front of bike. Okay, then you go to select for delete. And again go to auto draw. Okay, draw on heart. See, you can see here the heart. Double heart and single heart. Then do again same as before. Draw whatever you want. Draw the fish. Draw the flight. You can change outline color. I select black. You can make JPG file what you draw. Draw here. Then you can change outline color. Then go to download file. It's downloaded. This is JPG file. After download, if you want more, draw. Copy the file. Then go to Coreldraw. Then paste here. Now trace the file. Then delete original file. Then you can fill your favorite color. I hope you have understand. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Auto draw website link, go to my description.